Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to go back to the Beachside Hotel and Suites in Cocoa Beach, Florida, where the Duck Dive Bar is located. Great hotel. You're going to love it there. Easy, lazy river, pool, free breakfast, a great breakfast. And not only that, but you have a bar there, the Duck Dive, and you also have free Wi-Fi. They do have shuttle service to the airport. They have shuttle service to the cruise port. Whatever you want. Have a look. And at the end, well, not quite the end, but near the end of this video, I have a secret for you. I'm going to let you in on how you find the beach from the Beachside Hotel. Yes, there is a way, a really quick, short route to it. Watch and see. Thanks again for watching. And remember, subscribe. How about a thumbs up? And we will catch you again. Bye-bye. Well, here we are, back at the Beachside Hotel and Suites in Cocoa Beach, Florida. We're starting out, just show you that's the TV guide, the TV remote, sanitary wipe thing to clean things off. That's nice of them. Television set, and this is a huge room. Look at the size. This is one part of it. And look at that. Tell you're on the Space Coast, can't you? Yeah. This is our happy place. They're letting you know that you're going to be happy here. Ceiling fan. Look at that fancy crown molding up there.
Oh, wow.
This is the living room part of our hotel room. Suite, I guess, is what it actually is. There's the air conditioning control, desk, table, chair, kitchen area. What do we have here? Microwave.
Cupboards with nothing in them.
Cupboards, empty cupboards. I guess.
Look at the fridge.
Dishes, I guess maybe a COVID thing. And over here, let's have a look. Let's widen things out a little bit. Coffee in the room.
Fridge.
What do we have over here?
Just a makeup table.
Ugly guy in the mirror. Fridge down here.
Oh, actually, it has a freezer.
Freezer on
There's
top.
the freezer and fridge.
And a fridge. And yeah,
Microwave.
microwave. And the washroom. This is very nice. For the money that they're charging here, it's very reasonable for what you are getting. There is no argument there. If you get something, they can help you there. So, Phoenix is bathroom with a hand bar on it. Assist bar. Night light. What do we have over here? Must be a closet, yes. A closet with a safe. Store your gold there. Broom and dustpan, because this is a sandy area. Remember, you're in a beach town. And I see we have a pocket door. My eyes don't let me. We'll figure that out later. I'm sure it does work. Let's go back. I'm thinking that couch, sofa, Chesterfield, whatever you'd like to call it, I'll bet you that turns into a bed. Let's have a quick look. Cal, is this a bed? Yes, it is. Yeah, I'm not going to pull it out. Take my word for it. It's a bed. And internet. See, Pat's already on the internet. This is the bedroom side. Again, that fancy crown molding. Look at it up there. Look at the detail up there. Isn't that nice stuff? So here we go. So this is the other room. Again, a lamp, lots of space to walk around. Telephone if you need it. I think they're all set up for the USB ports and all that sort of stuff. I believe it's a queen size bed. that a queen or a king? I think that's a king. Air conditioner again. Ceiling fan. Have to find out how to turn that on. Now, it's really humid here in Florida this morning. All that condensation is on the outside of the window. And this room, look at this. This is really neat. You would really enjoy this room. Again, television. And once again, another alcohol wiper thing to sanitize your remote control, your light switches, all that. Let's see what we got. Oops, out swing door. And out here, table and chairs. This room number, by the way, 704. And that's nice. Table, a couple of chairs, and a walkway that way to the breakfast room, the bar. It's over there, the Duck Inn Bar, I think it's called. Lazy River. Remember, we were here in January before. Things were a little cool. And I'm sure that water is really warm today. And to that way is the tower. And the beach is also in that direction. Hi there. Let's go back inside. That's just one happy little kid, eh? And what's this? We want you to be happy. So let's go back to that pocket door that I was having a hard time figuring out how to open it. And I should know because I used to sell enough of these things. But save some space, and that's how you do open it. I was trying to find that little lever. I knew it was there. And there it be. You just pop those things in case you're not familiar with it. Grab it with your finger, pull the door over, and that will go right closed. And usually these things have a bit of a lock on. I apologize again for my eyesight not being able to see that. But so that's the room. Remember, the Beachside Inn and Suites, Cocoa Beach, Florida, where you're going to be warm. And even on the back, this room fronts on both sides, the inside and the outside of the hotel. It is first floor. And palm trees, palm trees, palm trees. Okay, let's take a stroll along the riverbank. There we go. The umbrellas are going up, getting ready for the pool to open. How you doing today? There's your rings, your little floaty things. You can use that. Float down the river. They do have restrooms. Maybe that's a reminder that don't go in the pool. The depths change, 3 foot, 3 foot 3, 4 foot. And it's a nice little flow along here. There's the island. As you can see, lots and lots of places to relax. Get some Florida sunshine, humidity, and it's humid. It's mid-September. And it's been pretty warm, pretty humid. The rooms on this side that's a 1-floor wing. The office is over there. The Duck Dive Bar, breakfast buffet is right there. 2-story, that's suites in there. And across there at the back here, excuse the sun, they have a tower. 1 block, you could say 2, but 1 block from the beach. It's a little waterfall thing that's not working right now because it's not open yet. Here's your 4-foot section. This is the front end of the Lazy River. Steps, a nice easy walk-in for kids or those who are not quite as mobile as a kid. And remember I mentioned the beach area a few seconds ago? Here is the beach area. They have pool toy, sand toys, Adirondack or Muskoka chairs, depending on where you're from. Outside eating area for the Duck Dive Bar and the breakfast. And a grassy area. And let's continue along this walk, okay? There we go. Let's get out of this fellow's way. There. This is early morning, just opening things up for the guests. And really is a nice pool. They heat this in the winter time. I think November they start to heat up, run it through until the cold season is over in Florida. Yes, they do have a cold season. And this, I believe, must be the lift for those who need it to get into the pool. Keep it covered up. Just keep the weather off of it. And again, here's one of the entrance and exits from the pool. And that's the pool tour. Hope you enjoy it. So here we are. That's the Beachside Hotel at Cocoa Beach, Beachside Inn Suites. That's the backside street. I didn't catch the name of that street right here. But right there, I think that's a condo building. And another, and the beach is right there. So you are like 1 block from the beach. Okay, so after you see that sign about access to the beach, this is the access to the beach through the jungle. All these trees, they help in case of a storm and wash it away to the shoreline. It's pretty sandy here on the bottom, on the feet, even though we're on the boardwalk.
Comes some people with surfing boards.
And there we go.
So I missed you guys doing your surfing, right?
Yeah, you didn't miss much. It's not very good.
No, not too good today.
Okay.
Not too great.
Take care.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. There we are at the beach.